Hi Subar, it's a little bit easier for me to make this video also because then I don't have this echo in the sound. So right now I'm actually in the old system, and in the old system we had some features here, some services, and even though they were not used a lot, some of them were actually pretty valuable. And one of them we had here is a feature called New Contract. If I click on New Contract, I get this page. I can put in the customer's name, I can put in the address line, I can put in the zip code, city, the date, when should the artist come to the location, when should they put up their equipment and make a sound check, when should they actually start to play. And then here we have the sets, how many sets will they play, 3 sets of 45 minutes. And as you can see here, this is a kind of flexible thing, because in case I'm a DJ, I could just write it's 1 set of 6 hours. So that is also an option, but for a band they would be able to write, okay, it's 4 set and every set will take 45 minutes. And all artists, musicians, DJs, they know what this set and time is about. Then we have a field for how much is the agreed price, and we also have a field for what if a customer wants an extra set. I mean, if the customer is there on the evening, they're having a great party, the music is great, everybody's happy, maybe somebody is a little bit drunk, that often happens here in Europe, and then they want a set more. But what often happens is, if this price is not agreed on before the event, then the artist will take a lot of money for it. And if it's agreed on the event, then the customer knows, well, if I want an extra set, I can just add this amount to the price. So this field is for price for extra set. Here we have agreed about food and drinks. Are the band and artist gonna get food and drink? Then they can put in some text, dynamic an open text field here. Is there any other remarks? Let me just write here, test 1, test 2. And then here we made a very nice feature actually, where you can insert your standard contract. So if I insert my standard contract, I will have, as a band, I will have some standard information that always is in my my contract info. So I will input this, and this says that we need 9 square meters to be able to fit in the band. We also need 3 times 220 volt electricity. We want the payment to be right after the event, and if the customer cancels 7 days before the event, we would like 50% to be paid of the price anyway. If they cancel less than 7 days before the event, we want 100% of the agreed price. So this is a very nice standard text to have in all your contracts. And if I wanted to change this, I would just write something else, and I would click here, and it would be changed so that I had this text ready for my next contract. Now if I click here on okay, we have a problem here. Where did I have a problem? Then in the post number. The zip code. It needs a number. So now when I make my contract, I'm just going to show you how great this feature looks. It takes some time. Why is it taking some time? Post number. That was. I'm going to open it. Okay, so now the PDF file has been made, and the old system made this PDF file, but you probably also know how to make a PDF file. But as you can see here, we have the word contract in the top. We have band data here, and we have the band name and all this important information. And this we have already. We haven't put this in because this is just the artist information, so we just grabbed it from the database. Then we have the event data, and the event data is the the date, it's the time they should arrive, it's all these information, how many sets, how long does the set last, how much is the agreed price, and how much is an extra set. So you can see it's very nicely divided this, and then we divide it once again here, and we have some customer data. What is the customer's name, the address line, these things. And down here we have banned food and drinks, and here you might have inputted some info about we would like to have some food available for us, or we would like to have something to drink during the evening, or something like that. Here we have some remarks, and that is also a dynamic text, and here we have the extra contract information. And then in our case, what I suggest that we also put in is something which will be a standard contract text we will put in from our side. And we didn't have this in the old system, but I think we should put it in the new system. It's a standard contract text. I will make that, and it will be the same in every country, we just need to translate it to every language. This was the first video where I just showed you how this feature worked. Now I'm going to stop this video and I will upload it and send it to you, and then I will make the second video where I show that we are going to do exactly the same in the new system, but we will just allow the customer to input some of the information, and we would allow the artist to input some of the information, and then we will also allow them to approve the information that has been put in. And this is the feature I would like your input on. So in next video you will see what I mean.